Do you start your day feeling tired and achy? I've got just the thing. Join me for this 10-minute morning chair yoga practice where we'll breathe, release tension, improve circulation, and gently stretch your whole body so you'll feel more relaxed, refreshed, and ready for your day. And be sure to stick around until the end because I have a special gift for you to enjoy. But for now, go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Come back to sitting tall, moving into shoulder rolls. With your hands resting on your thighs, inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. Continue with these smooth, slow circles, imagining tension sliding off with each exhale, feeling a gentle stretch through the top of your shoulders and neck, between your shoulder blades, and the front of your shoulders as you roll. Continue breathing smoothly and deeply as you switch directions. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral stretch. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, wrists, hands, side body, back, and ribs. Pausing at the top, adding a cat-cow stretch. Inhale with your arms reaching overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, shoulders, neck, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release, returning to center. Sitting tall, use your hands to draw your right leg in closer, adding ankle rotations, increasing circulation and joint mobility in your lower leg, stretching through your calf muscle, ankle, and foot. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your left foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Release and set your left foot to the earth, moving into sun salutations. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead or as high as comfortable. Exhale, hands to thighs, hinging forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lifting up and out of your waist. Exhale, hands to thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating this sequence once more. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer and release, returning to center. Moving into a one-legged seated forward bend. Extend your right leg forward with your heel to the earth, toes pointing upward. With your hands to your left thigh for support, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, keeping your shoulders relaxed, feeling a gentle stretch through your hamstrings, calf muscle, right foot, and low back. Slowly return to upright, and then go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. With your hands to your right thigh, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. Continue breathing deeply, keeping your jaw relaxed, feeling a gentle stretch through the spinal muscles in your mid and upper back, obliques, and side waist. Slowly unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.